And that severe weather window is looking like it's going to start about 3 p.m. here in West Michigan and wrap up about 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. That's on Tuesday. Tonight's going to be quiet. Tomorrow will be a little more active. So the focus for severe weather is more so Indiana and Ohio. That's the bullseye of highest potential. We're still in the slight risk, and the rest of West Michigan in a marginal risk as well. So we still have our fair share of opportunity. Draw a line from South Haven to Caledonia to Lansing, off to the south and southeast. That's where our greatest potential will be. Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Hastings, down towards Coldwater and Three Rivers. Right now on live satellite radar, not much is happening. A few high clouds over the lakeshore starting to filter in. That is the leading edge of clouds associated with this very active system. One of the most widespread outbreaks we've seen this season, really just behind what we had a couple of Tuesdays ago for the tornado outbreak in Oklahoma. But that's continuing to progress to the north and east. That is what's headed our way. You can see here with the severe weather outlook tonight, they're dealing with a ton more activity with widespread severe storms and tornado warnings than what we are expected to have here tomorrow. And with that, thankfully, our greatest threats are hail and wind. Tornadic activity, it's possible, but it's an isolated chance, really just more of a non-zero chance than it is even possible. And with that, anyone would be fairly weak. But wind gusts to 65 miles per hour, hail up to 1.25 inches in diameter with any of these storms. So notice the severity of these systems kind of keeps its strength into Chicago, but then as we get into Tuesday about 11 o'clock and noon, it's starting to diminish its strength as it moves off to the north and east. It should just be standard showers or average thunderstorm for us here. But we go to the afternoon hours and we'll start to see some clearing and dry air. That'll lead to the potential of some stronger pop-up storms to develop in the evening hours, especially south of Grand Rapids. And then those will start to wrap up again about 9 o'clock here in West Michigan. So we'll be tracking thunderstorms here all evening long tomorrow, all afternoon. And thankfully, it will be dry by the time we get to around midnight Wednesday morning. Here's the rainfall potential associated with this. A widespread 1/2 inch of rain and some heavier amounts definitely likely with the downpours that roll through. I think a few areas will get well over 1 inch of rain. Grand Rapids, meanwhile, tonight, we're thankfully quiet. We should be quiet rainfall-wise in Grand Rapids until almost 2 o'clock tomorrow. South and west, it'll start at about 11 a.m. So the mild air coming in with this east-southeast wind ahead of this large low pressure that is focused over South Dakota. And keep in mind, tulip time, if you're trying to get out tomorrow, I would get out before noon because the rain and thunderstorms and severe weather potential are going to start to build in. Wednesday looking like a nice day, 74 degrees with the partly cloudy skies. More rain chances on Thursday. Looks like a fairly wet week, even though we do have a few days of sun mixed in.